So welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making this stir-fried chicken. I use it for I prep it and I use it for maybe my salad, or sometimes I eat it as on its own, but most times I prefer it on my salad. So we're going to be making some stir-fried chicken. So these are our ingredients for my stir-fried chicken breast, cubed stir-fried chicken breast. My cubed chicken, my seasoning. You want to keep it as simple as you possibly can. My salt, my fat from my chicken. When I roast chicken, I get out the fat sometimes. My paprika or cayenne pepper, ginger. You want to keep it as simple as possible. The basic for this is just the chicken. Every other seasoning you can decide to do it to your taste. So we have our pan on the fire, on the stove. Add my oil. I add my chicken. My chicken breast. Then I begin to season. Most times I don't like adding too much salt, because when you're done and it dries out, you find out that the salt, maybe from the seasoning, is too much. My adobo seasoning. A little paprika. A little ginger. Because this thing is going to be like dry fried, you'll be careful with the quantity of seasoning you're adding so that it doesn't become too much. Cayenne pepper. My steak seasoning and my my garlic leaves, maybe chives. I'll mix everything together. You don't add any water because this chicken is still going to bring out water, but you just make sure you keep turning it until the water starts coming out, but you don't add any water to it. That is why it's stir fried. You can see the water has started coming out. At this point, you don't use too much, see the water? You don't use too much light. You turn it down a bit low so that it doesn't burn, so that it will cook slowly. But if the water gets too much, you can reduce it a bit. If the chicken brings out too much water, you can just reduce it a bit. So our stir-fried chicken is ready.